and give me no goddamn choice. I'ma do me. That's why you always hear the person that drops out ends up turning up because they going with their spirit. You feel me? And nowadays, these kids ain't even trying to hear none of that shit. These kids don't even give it. They is like, they in a whole different, now, it's going to be an uphill battle because, that's still financial thing. It's still an uphill battle. And again, I want to preface, I'm not saying leave your job or quit jobs or whatever, jobs trash. I'm saying you got to still get on your own passion-driven desire. You feel me? Because at the end of the day, you're going to look up and say, oh shit, I didn't even run the play.